Hello guys, I hope you are all doing very well, and in this series of video we are going to study about pointers in C. This is one of the most complicated topic in entire C programming language. Just be patient and after this series I can assure you that all of your doubts regarding the pointers will be clear. So without any ado, let's begin. So pointers, right? Pointers in C. Before going through the pointers, let's understand the address. Okay. For example, let's say I am defining a variable int a equals to 5. Okay. Now what happens actually? This variable gets a memory location with some address and having its value. Okay. So this is a memory location, okay, and here this is pointing as value and this is as address. So whenever I'm defining a variable, whether it is a pointer variable or any sort of variable, it will have a variable, it will have some address or some regarding value. Okay, we will see later this how this could even change, but let's say for now that it will have some address or some value. Okay, now point number 1, we will always say that this is main address. Okay, main address. Now the point number 1 is that in C, main address can never change. Main address can never change. Okay, for example, if I say like end of a equals to 49, this will give me error. Or if I write b equals to 64, this will also having some address. Or if I try to assign end a equals to end of b, will also give me error. Okay, so this main address will never be able to change, whether it is going to array or character variable or any other variable, the main address will never change. Okay, now the point number 2, only an address can be dereferenced using dereference operator. And I guess you know that dereference operator is star. Okay, only star asterisk, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so let's stick on the same example. Let's say the address, if I write here print of a, it will give me a value of 5, right? A value. And if I write printf of end of a, it will give me an address. Let's say this is 1024862. Okay, so it will give me 102486862, or let's say it is x. Okay, now if I write asterisk of a, what will happen? Okay, so what is 5? Oh, not 5 actually. What is a here? It is a value. Can we dereference a value? No, only an address can be dereferenced. Okay, so if I am trying to dereference a value, it will give me an error. So this will cause me an error. If I write asterisk end of a, then what? This is what? An address, right? An address. So this is okay term. And now we are dereferencing an address. So is it okay? Yes, it is okay. What will be the output? Let's say end of a, asterisk, what is present here? A. Now if I write printf of a, what is the value of printf of a? Equals to 5, right? So it will give me 5, and the total answer of this will be 5. Okay, this is the point number 2. Now let's see some other points, but keep in note that these 2 points are really important and we will be talking about throughout the video lecture. Let's see some other points. Okay, the first 2 points were that the main address can never change, and the second point was that only an address can be dereferenced. Okay, now let's talk about the third point. Before stating it, let's understand what is third point. Okay, I had a memory location. Okay, I am saying that a equals to 4 and here it is a and of a. Alright, and we know that this can never change. Okay, this can change. Okay, now remember that in a memory location here it can hold either a value or an address. Okay, always remember that this can hold either a value or an address. Okay, the main thing is this, always remember that, because this is going to be used in all pointers. Okay, so when we are talking about normal variable, this is a normal variable. Okay, this normal variable can only hold a value here. This, if I am saying about the normal variables like char, b, whatever, now this will only be a value. Game is only here, remember that. Pointers, all pointers, just need to understand this. Okay, so this will only be able to hold a value when we are talking about the normal variable. Okay, when we talk about the pointer variables, we will see that this will able to hold an address also. Okay, like this. So for example, if I am here writing as int a equals to 4, then we had seen it before, I guess, and a equals to 40, sorry, a is equals to let's say there is also b equals to 6. I am assigning it with an address of b. What will happen? It will give me error, because a normal variable can only hold a value. So let's write it. Normal variable can only hold a value, not address. Okay, now this is something different now which I am going to tell you, but keep in mind that, okay, you can say that when I am writing a, I am assigning it, let's say 1426. Okay, now you can say that if I am printing of a, it will give me 1426, right? And if I am printing of end of a, it is giving me something like 142862. Okay, so how means, forget about what is written in the left part, just see what is here. Both are numbers. So how can you told that this is an address, this is an integer, right? Because you will see that both are integers. So how can you tell that this is an address, this is an not address? I can also write the same quantity here, right? 142862, but how will you tell that this is an address? The point to remember that whenever I am talking about the constant like numbers character a, or something like 23, okay, 42.8, okay, this is always treated as value. So okay, so for example, if I write printf of 23, it will give me 23 obviously. If I am writing print of a asterisk of 23, since these constants are always treated as a value, it will give me error. Okay, first thing. And the second thing, how will you identify address, right? So there are no way to identify address. Now this is the beauty. Okay, only you can tell whether this is going to be an address or this is going to be value only by looking at the variable here, this variable. Okay, so these are just how you are going to represent your address. Okay, there is no one way that you can also represent it using numbers, characters, and so on, So there is no particular way. Only by looking at these variables you will be able to identify that this is going to be an address. Okay, whenever you are looking something like this constant, it will be always treated as a value, and remember that value cannot be dereferenced using asterisk. Okay, so now let's look at some of the examples from which we had studied so far. Let's see. Okay, let's say I am writing a is equals to 4, b is equals to 8. Okay, let's say this is a, this is b. I am giving random value, end of a, let's say x, whatever, it could be any value, end of b equals to y, and this is holding a value 4, this is holding a value 8. Remember, it is a value, it is a value. Okay, now if I write a is equals to end of a, end of b, what will be the output? And remember, it will give me error, right? Because a normal variable can only hold a value. If I am writing a equals to b, it is correct, and the value of a will become 8. b equals to a, b equals to a, 8. Okay, vice versa also. If I am writing b equals to end of a, it will give me error, and if I am writing b equals to a, it is okay, and b will become 4, right? Now if I am writing end of a equals to 4, error, because this is the main address, can never be changed. End of a equals to end of b, error. End of b equals to anything, error. Okay, main address can never change. Okay, now let's see dereferencing. Okay, now if I am writing asterisk of a, what it will give me? It will give me error. Why? Because a is a value here, and value cannot be dereferenced, right? So it will give me error. If I write asterisk of b, then it will again give me error, same reason. If I write asterisk of end of a, now end of a is equals to x. What is end of a? Let's say it is an address, right? End of a is an address, and what is present in address a? So means printf of a. What is printf of a? Equals to 4. So output will be 4. Say for asterisk of b, what is present here? 8. End of b, what is present in address of b? B. So if I am writing printf of b, it will give me 8. So it will give me 8. Let's take another example, asterisk of and asterisk a, let's say. Now what will be the output? Any guesses? Okay, let's find out. End of a, end of a is address. We are dereferencing it, right? Now this entire expression, whatever we call it, this will become value, and we are dereferencing a value, and dereferencing a value means error. Okay, so this will give us error. So I hope you like the video, and cheer it up, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.